Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amir Rashid, a member of Group 4. Allow us here to present the result of the group discussion entitled Atom, Molecule, and Ion. Let's do it. Definisi atom. An atom is a basic unit of matter consisting of a nucleus and cloud of negatively charged electrons that surround it. The atomic nucleus consists of positively charged proton and neutrally charged neutron. The electrons in atom are bound to the atomic nucleus by electromagnetic forces. Number 1. Dalton's atomic theory. The simple atomic model is the Dalton atomic model, proposed by John Dalton, a British scientist. According to this model of the atom is solid spare hair with no charge. In addition, according to this atomic theory, the atomic is the small unit that cannot be subdivided.
My name is Tia Amelia. I will explain here the material about the Thomson atomic models and the Rutherford atomic models. Thomson's atomic model. This atomic model was discovered by Joseph John Thomson. Thomson atomic model is shaped like a raisin bread. That's because the atom is positively charged solid sphere with negative particle or electrons scattered in it. This atom model was proven by Thomson research using cathode tube arrays. Rutherford's atomic model. This model of the atoms was proposed by Ernest Rutherford. Rutherford's atomic model explained that each atom contains a positively charged nucleus with electrons revolving around its orbits. This atomic mass is concentrated in the atomic nucleus and most of the atom's volume is empty space. This is evidenced by the experimental result of metal shooting by alpha rays. Rutherford conducted an experiment by shooting alpha rays, which are rays containing positively charged particles, through a very thin gold plate. When an alpha ray is fired from a radioactive switch and hits the gold plate, most of the light passes through the gold plate. A small part of the alpha particle is decalced, and a small part of the alpha particle is reflected. Besides, on this experiment, Rutherford then suspected that the gold plate contained positive particles. According the Rutherford atom contains of positive charge gather in the center, which is known as the atomic nucleus.
Well, I'm Indah Puspitasari will continue the atomic material, namely the Bohr atom, quantum mechanics, and atom structure. Atom Bohr. In the Bohr atomic model, it began to show development in the previous atomic model. Bohr previously studied the spectrum product when excited atom in vacuum gas cylinder found that each element product its own spectral lines. The Bohr model of atom was created by Niels Bohr in the 1913. In the Bohr atomic models, electrons orbit the nucleus in specific path called electron shell or energy level. The lowest energy level in the innermost electron shell, while the higher the number, the higher the cell number, and the higher the level the energy. Quantum mechanic atomic model. The quantum mechanical atomic model is the most modern atomic model. Atom consists of positively charging atomic nucleus and a cloud of electrons that surround. The region where the electron is found is called an orbital. There are several theories to support this quantum mechanical atom. Number 1, there is electron wave theory. In 1924, de Broglie suggested the electron half-wave properties that cause the energy to be quantities. Number 2, Heisenberg uncertainty principle. According to Heisenberg, it is impossible to know the position and the velocity of an object at the same time. Number 3, Schrödinger equation. With the Schrödinger equation, it is possible to determine the size of the probability region for the determined electron in certain place in the atom, which are called orbital.
I'm Risa Zara. Here I will explain the material about ion. The term ion was first introduced by an English chemist and physicist named Michael Faraday in 1834. The word ion itself comes from the Greek word ion or ione, which means to go. At the time, Michael Faraday discovered chemical species that move from one electrode to another in aqueous solution. Ions are atoms or molecules that have gained or lost one or more valence electrons, thereby producing a positive or negative electric charge. Ion, any atom group of atoms that bear one or more positive electrical charge are called cation, and ion with a negative charge are called anions. Ions are formed by the addition of electron to or the removal of electron. Ions are divided into two. First, a monoatomic ion is an ion consisting of one atom. An example is the hydrogen ion H+. Second, a polyatomic ion, also called a molecular ion, consists of two or more atoms. An example of a polyatomic ion is the diatomic anion. Example for ion. It is the reaction process of sodium atom with chlorine atom.
A molecule is a combination of two or more atoms that have no electric charge. Molecule can be made up of the same atom, for example, hydrogen and oxygen. It can also be made up of different atoms, for example, water and carbon dioxide. Molecules composed of the same atoms are called elemental molecules, while molecules composed of different atoms are called compound molecules. Molecules made up of two atoms, either atoms that are the same or different, are called diatomic molecules. Then there are polyatomic molecules, which are molecules composed of three or more atoms.
Well, thank you for your listening. My all thoughts we have shared be beneficial for all of you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.